Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my life on a hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you could get my new videos. So today I will be doing a pedicure on myself, and the base coat that I like to use is Orly base coat, and this is the Epic nail polish. This is just a lacquer, you guys. It's supposed to last longer, but anything that I put on my toes normally does, because it's not like we're washing dishes with our feet. So but the bonder do help it to last a lot longer than normal, and I love this lacquer. And I love also the Epic for my natural nails, because normally if I put on regular polish, it lasts maybe a day because my hands are always in water. Even though I wear gloves sometimes I forget, but I put this on, maybe it lasts 3 days, but that's on my nails. So I'll be doing this. I did this because I did this pedicure a while ago. I'm just getting to uploading it. So but it kind of goes with the vibe right now with this toxic virus that's going around. And hope that we're all staying well and safe, and make sure you wash your hands. And I was raised anyways to always wash your hands. Make sure you don't put your clean clothes on your bed, no books or mails on your bed or your table. And like right now my kids are doing homework on the table, but afterwards I clean it off with soap and water and make sure things, it stays clean. So and of course, when you sneeze and things like that, make sure that it doesn't cover it up some kind of way, and wash your hands. So I've been trying to find a really good light that can go over when I'm doing my pedicure. I have it either at the side, and so one side is brighter than the other, and it's not like when I am on my table, my nail table, doing my nails, where the light does that. Actually, I do have one, but I keep forgetting to like hook it up while I'm doing my pedicure, because when I do my pedicure I kind of have to set up a different area, and I have to bring all my supplies out, then I forget something, I gotta get up and get it, put it back, and get up and get it. Whereas when I'm in my nail room doing my own nails, like everything's already on my table, and so sometimes I forget, and I'm like, I'm not getting it for a light, this is good. But so the last pedicure that I did gel polish, but I put on a peel off base coat first. So I still have that on. I might take it off in a couple days and put something else on. Like I want to do, so this right here is the final that goes on top of the lacquer of the color. So this is what supposedly make it last longer, you guys. And it's really a good product. I have a lot of colors in it. If for people that, like for me, I just do my pedicures with regular polish, but since I'm trying to peel off base coat now, I will see how easy it is to peel off these gel that I have on my feet. So but in this video I will be doing stamping, and I had to wait for it to dry, and if you know me, I don't have patience. So it kind of like, oh, kind of hard for me. And then not only that, with stamping, if you make a mistake and you want to wipe it off, you have to be careful, because you could take off the color as well. So it became a kind of a pain in the butt. But if you just want regular color with some embellishment like rhinestones or glitter, then this is fine. I get my plates from AliExpress, and so this was like a plate for Halloween, and you have to use a certain type of polish for stamping. So basically it's called stamping polish, or polish for stamping, and I also got those from AliExpress, and they work very well. You can't use gel polish. I've seen people talk about they use from Young Nails, they have where you can draw with a thicker, I forget what it's called, but I have never used it. But you need a thicker polish, and these polish works a lot better sometimes. And if the room is like a decent temperature, it'll work. But just say like you're messing with it for all 10 like hands or all 10 toes, it's after a while your hand touches the polish, it gets kind of warm, and the stamp becomes temperamental. So and then like for example, if you make a mistake, you have to wipe it off like I said, and you might damage the color on the nail, which I think I did like 3 times. But so that's kind of the pain in the butt with using regular polish when it comes to stamping. So I love the Zuli nail adhesive, and again, because it's on my toes, I didn't really buff the area to roughen it up because they do last long. And I'll just be putting on some rhinestones on my toe. I love rhinestones, guys. I love anything like glitter and bling bling. That's just who I am. And so, but I thought this was a perfect video, even though it was done around Halloween time. It was a perfect video for this time, for what we're dealing with. And I hope everyone is safe at home, and you know, following the protocol, which is like, you know, basically stay home. Go out if you have to, which is getting your food, and get back home. And I wish everyone is safe. Make sure you wash your hands a lot with soap and moisturize, because you know, I'm used to always washing my hands anyways, and you know, your hands will get like starting to look old real fast if you do not moisturize afterwards. And I'm a person that like to use natural stuff, so a lot of times I use vitamin E oil or coconut oil. So right now I'm just putting on a regular top coat, even though that I already had on the Epic top coat. I still put one on to seal the stamp that I did, and just to show you, you know, how it looks when you know you're finished doing your stamping. So I love stamping. I have so much stamp. I'm gonna do some more. I have to find, oh, Easter's coming up, you guys, and just to keep you busy and occupied, something to watch, something to make your brain disappear from the craziness that's happening today. Put some fun stuff up. And if you guys have ideas of what you want to see, let me know. It doesn't have to be nails. It could be crafting, it could be cooking, exercising, whatever it is that you would like for me to do, because you know, my show is called My Life on a Hill, and I basically, it's just about my life. I just got my, actually today I think it makes 1 year that I got my manicure license. And what else? I've studied martial arts. I could give you guys a self-defense move. I don't like cooking, but I cook healthy as much as I possibly can, because you know, I'm trying to stay healthy to build my immune system. And I already have a lot of stuff down there on my channel that if you go scroll down and start looking, you'll see a lot of things that I've already done, like crafting and things like that. I've actually donated all my crafting supplies to a friend of mine, just because it was just too much in the house and I wasn't doing it that much. I kind of quit YouTube for a while, so I started back up, and you know, see how it goes. I'll have a couple more videos and see how that goes, and if it doesn't, I might take a break again, because this is exhausting. So I hope you like my toenails. Enjoy whatever the rest of your day that you have. Be safe, be happy, be kind, check on your friends, check on your family, check on your neighbors, and you know, don't forget to wash your hands and be safe, you guys. Thanks for watching me on My Life on a Hill. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, and it would be nice for you to share if you possibly can. Take care now. Bye-bye. And just go ahead and watch the rest of my toes in silence, you guys. Take care now. Bye-bye.